First possession belongs to Yolanda Holmes. Cabral to Gabriel. Gabriel to Adrian. Let it fly from deep. No good. Mata with the ball. Mata to Sama. Corner 3 short. Rebound Gabriel. Gabriel goes to Ghost for a layup. Mata to Esguerra from deep to strong. Rebound ends up with Gabriel. Gabriel to Adrian to Gabriel. Patrick bounce pass to Cabral. No turn is good for Carl Cabral. Esguerra to Eldama. Eldama to Esguerra to Carrillo. Carrillo to Eldama. Spin. Shot. He's going to the line and one for Charles Eldama. Foul is number 24. Jason Eldama. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw is good for Charles. Jason to Patrick. Cabral to Gabriel. Adrian. 3 seconds inside the key for Yolanda Holmes. Turnover for Yolanda. Mata to Esguerra. Esguerra passes it to Judonia. What is going on? Turnover for 40. Cabral looking for a teammate. To Patrick. To Gabriel. Gabriel jumper. Too strong. Rebound. Ends up in charge. Charles inside pass to Esguerra. Turnaround play is good. Carl looking for a teammate. To Adrian. Adrian looking for a teammate. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Gabriel from deep. No good. Shot clock violation for Yolanda. Esguerra to Santos. Carrillo. Pass deflected by Eldama. Stolen by Eldama, but pass is too hard to handle. Good intention, but it's too hard to handle for Cabral. Turnover for Yolanda. Santos to Eldama. Eldama for Esguerra. Esguerra deflected by Milan. Possession stays with Fish. 7 with the shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. Carrillo. Traveling violation committed by Fish Mortgages. Turnover. Carl looking for a teammate. To Patrick. Gabriel with the ball. Gabriel to Adrian. Blocked by Eldama. Rebound. Esguerra. Great defense by Eldama. Esguerra throws the ball out of bounds. Turnover for Fish Mortgages. Carl working on against Mata. To Patrick. Baseline J. Too strong. Rebound. Ends up with Cabral. Cabral pokes it out. Floats it in. Possession remains or stays with Fish Mortgages. Mata. Fade away Jay, short. Rebound Aldama. Aldama to Adrian. Adrian surveying the court. Pass to Jason. Jason driving baseline. He will be fouled by Santos. Foul is on number 19. 19 Santos. First personal foul, first team foul. Jason Aldama at the free throw line for 2. First free throw is good for Jason. One out to for Aldama. Rebound ends up with Jason. Cabral to Adrian. Wide open tray. There's a rebound again by Aldama. Carl. Left to layup. Over rebound Esguerra. Esguerra. Bothered by Gabriel. Pass deflected. Recovered by Aldama. 8 seconds violation committed by Swiss Mortgages. Great defense by Yolanda Holmes. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Gabriel fakes. Pass to Patrick. Patrick to Carl. Carl, closer, overshoots, rebound, Charles Aldama. Aldama, pass, too high, intended for Esguerra. Great intention, but possession. Yolanda Holmes. Adrian to Carl. Carl bounce pass to Gabriel, fade away Jay, money. Sweet move by Paul Gabriel. 95 in favor of Yolanda Holmes. Next up, Charles to Ronnie. Carino jumper no good. Rebound up with Duman. Touch pass. Resulting to turnover substitution left. Carino for Obot. 9-5 in favor of Yolanda Holmes. Swiss Mortgages with a deficit of 4. Mata to Obot. Obot floater. No good. Rebound ends up with Patrick to Adrian. Foul on the floor. Blocking foul on double zero. Mata. First personal foul, second team foul. Four-point lead by Yolanda Holmes. Carl to Adrian. Adrian to Gabriel. Gabriel to Adrian. Fakes. Moves closer. Pass. Intercepted by Esguerra. Forward pass. Just taking Aldama all over an easy two. The lead is cut down to 2. Gabriel. Poked away by Santos. Aldama with a loose ball. Santos hired in over and over rebound. Aldama steps out of bounds. Possession, Swiss Mortgages. No timeout, no timeout. 1 minute and 7 seconds. Esguerra looking for a teammate to Santos. Pass deflected. Stolen by Cabral. Forward pass to Patrick. Patrick, hand time. Overshoots, rebound, Jason. Jason, putback is good. Turn around, jumper and putback by Jason Aldama. 12 seconds differential between shot clock and game clock. Mata to Aldama. Aldama from deep too strong. Last touch on Swiss Mortgages. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Last 14 seconds. Poked away, stolen by Esguerra. Aldama. Pass. Poked away, stolen by Esguerra. Last 1 second. Cabral with a hit. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 11 for Yolanda Holmes and 7 for Swiss Mortgage. Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Swiss Mortgages. Santos from corner, 3, another rebound. Ogo denied by Gabriel. Gabriel denied again by Gabriel. Eventually not the Ogo. Great defense by Gabriel. Santos replaces Jairus there. 11-9 in favor of Yolanda Holmes. Eldama, baseline J, short. Rebound and succeed. Mata. Mata, screen by Javier. Chris Guerra. Santos, baseline J, short. Rebound Cabral. Cabral on the races. Drops it up to Adrian. He will be fouled by Swiss Mortgages. Foul on the black shirts. Foul on number 11, Ogon. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws will be awarded to Adrian Naman. First free throw is good for Adrian. Two out of 2 for Adrian. 4-point lead by Yolanda Holmes. Isquera to Santos. Santos shot short, rebound Gabriel. Patrick to Carl. Carl spin cycle move for an easy two. Spin cycle move for Cabral. Next up then. Mata, stolen by Adrian. Adrian to Carl. Carl sent out to Adrian. Touch pass again. No good. Play miss. Rebound by Santos. Mata with the ball. Drops it up to Guerra. He gets fouled. This is on to the line for the next one. Foul is on Yolanda Holmes. Number 24, Sabret. Eldama, second personal foul. First team foul. Charles Eldama checks out. Carrillo checks in. Timeout. Yolanda Holmes. 7 minutes and 6 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we bringing you highly anticipated Lumina King Champion Series 2026. Teams won the
Juan? Ako, Juan. Wala pa.
Okay, back to the ball game. Esguerra will shoot 2 free throws. Bonus free throws good for Esguerra. Gabriel fakes, moves closer, spin, shot is good, rainbow jumper for Paul Gabriel. Mata, low pass over, in the sky play for an easy 2. What a play by Mata, Ogun connection. Carl to Adrian. 3-point game in favor of Yolanda Holmes. Carl to Adrian. Let it fly from deep in and out. Rebound Jason. Poked away by Esguerra. Carrillo. Behind the back dribble. To Mata. Mata dumps it up to Ogon for an easy 2. The Mata to Ogon connection. Jason goes around. He gets down. This is going to the line also. Foul is on Chris Mortgages, number 11, Ogon. Second personal foul, second team foul. Chance for an end one for Jason Eldama. What a game. Back and forth battle between these two contending teams. Bonus free throw is good for Jason. The lead score for Yolanda Holmes. Mata to Esguerra. Esguerra, screen by Abel. To Mata. Traveling violation committed by Mata. Substitution left, Javier for Eldama. 3 minutes and 44 in the second quarter. Four-point game in favor of Yolanda. Jason from deep overshoots, rebound Carrillo. Carrillo looking for a teammate. To Mata. Mata poked away by Patrick. Great hands by Patrick. That possession stays with Chris Mortgages. Eldama rebound for Chris Mortgages. Over to Eldama. 10 on the shot clock. Carrillo, baseline J, money. Two-point game in favor of Yolanda Holmes. Gabriel, pass to the cutting. Patrick, poked away and stolen by Charles. Forward to Ogon. Ogon takes to Mata. Mata jumper, short. Rebound. Last touch on Esguerra. Possession, Yolanda Holmes. 2 minutes and 33 in the second quarter. Carl to Patrick. Patrick White. No good. Rebound, Esguerra. Pass deflected. They go over to Esguerra. Esguerra working against Patrick. Esguerra from deep, in and out, rebound Gabriel. Gabriel poked away by Eldama, stolen by Eldama. Eldama passes it up to Carl, denied by Carl. The denial by Carl. Esguerra pleading his case for a referee. Not in my hands. Carl, what's your height? Charles, inbound pass to Carrillo. Carrillo, boarded by Gabriel. Offensive rebound by Ogon. Ogon to Esguerra. Baseline, Darius to Esguerra. Tie ball game, 20 apiece. strong. Esguerra secures the board. Esguerra to Mata. Mata to Ogon. Ogon gets it out to Charles. Wide open from deep in and out. Rebound by Jason. Walked away by Mata. Mata. Forward pass to Carrillo. Pass is too hot to handle. Too strong. Good intention by Mata, but resulting the turnover. Carl to Adrian. Adrian to Patrick. Patrick to Jason. Jason with a blow by for the deputy lineup. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Last 14 seconds. Ogon. Baseline Jay Norwood. Rebound Patrick. Last 8 seconds. Patrick to Adrian. Touch pass. Last touch on Jason. Last 2 seconds. That's the end of the first half. Official score 22 for Yolanda Homes and 20 for Swiss Mortgages. Okay, back to the ball game. We're heading to the second half. Yolanda Homes heading to the second half with a 2-point lead. This is week 6, fourth game between Swiss Mortgages and Yolanda Homes. Third quarter possession belongs to Yolanda Homes. Gabriel to Adrian. Adrian to Jason. To Gabriel. Gabriel to Cabral. Cabral to Patrick. All alone for an easy serve. Four-point lead by Yolanda Homes. What's the call, ref? Foul is on number 30. Adrian naman, first personal foul, first team foul. Esguerra, inside pass to Charles Fernandez. Gabriel, pass to Patrick, to Carl. Carl with a blow by. Wild shot, no good, rebound Esguerra. Esguerra to Charles. Charles bounce pass to Mata. Drops it up to Santos. Santos. Pass to Eldama. Eldama to Esguerra. 8 seconds to shoot. Esguerra spins. Turn around James. Good. Esguerra absorbs the contact for an easy serve. Tied ball game. 24 apiece. Adrian. Sabot na kayo play. Well good. Rebound Esguerra. Esguerra to Carrillo. Carrillo! She's an opening! What is it? The defense started like a The lead belongs now to Swiss Mortgages. Patrick to Adrian. Patrick, let it fly from James Logan. Rebound is Guerra. Guerra to Charles. 2-point game in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Santos, spoiling the mismatch. Shot no good. Rebound Carrillo. Carrillo fakes. Fakes again. Jumper, wide for Carrillo. 4-point lead now for Swiss Mortgages. Gabriel, shot, no good. He's going to the line for 2. Foul is on number 10. Oh, sorry, number 19. Santos taking it. Second personal foul. First team foul. Gabriel will shoot 2 free throws for Yolanda Holmes. First free throw is good for Gabriel.
Gusto mo pahinga? 5 minutes, pahinga ka? May insurance ka naman ba? Okay yan.
2 out of 2 for Gabriel. Perfect at the free throw line. 2-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Esguerra working on against Aldama. Esguerra absorbs the contact. He will be fouled by Yolanda Holmes. Foul is on number 2, 24. Jason Aldama, third personal foul, second team foul. That's 3 on Jason Aldama. Esguerra will shoot 2 free throws for Swiss Mortgages. First free throw is good for Rich. Second one is good. Timeout left. 2 out of 2 for Esguerra. Timeout. Yolanda Holmes. 5 minutes and 55 remaining in the third quarter. 30-26 is the score in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Okay, back to the ball game. Yolanda Holmes with a deficit, 4-point deficit. Aldama working on against Santos. Aldama to Adrian, to Carl. Let it fly from deep, too strong. Offensive rebound by Patrick. Sends it to his brother, Adrian. Adrian asking for a screen. Screen by Jason. To Patrick. Patrick denied by Camillo. Rebound Camillo. Great defense by Camillo. Camillo to Esguerra. Esguerra to Santos. Back to Esguerra. Esguerra driving baseline. For an easy 2. 6-point game now in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Adrian to Carl. Carl. Floater too strong. Rebound Camillo. Esguerra with the ball. Esguerra directing traffic. Screen by Santos. Ogod destroying this match. It's Ogod spins. Offensive foul is the number 11. Warding off. Offensive foul on number 11. Ogod. Third personal foul. Second team foul. No basket. Basket doesn't count. This is an offensive foul. Turnover for Swiss Mortgages. Carl for Adrian. Back to Carl. Carl. Floater. Too strong. Esguerra with the ball. Esguerra. Manning the point for Sismorius. Carrillo fakes. Guarded by Gabriel. Carrillo. Jumper no good. Rebound. Esguerra saves it to Haber. Reverse layup. What a save by Esguerra to Haber. Point game now. Adrian from the Woman triple for Adrian. Santos overshoots. Rebound Ogo. Ogo driving baseline. Stolen by Aldama. Forward pass to Adrian. Adrian transition three. In and out. Sorry, miss for Adrian. Rebound Carrillo. Carrillo. Spin. Traveling violation to Carrillo. Great defense by Jason Aldama. Last 2 minutes in the third quarter. Last 2 minutes. Adrian to Carl. Back to Adrian. Carl to Adrian from deep. Back-to-back threes for Adrian naman. And the lead is cut down to 2. 34-32 in favor of Swiss Morgan. Ogod working on against Adrian. Ogod poked away, stolen by Patrick. Great defense by Yolanda Home. Patrick, first pass, stolen by Esguerra. Missed opportunity for Yolanda Home. Pass, stolen, after steal by Yolanda. Gabriel goes to post for an easy 2. Side moving, 34-3. Alberto Santos to Esguerra. Esguerra with a mismatch. Esguerra. Foul on Yolanda Home. Foul is on number 23. Patrick naman, first personal foul, third team foul. Esguerra will open the inbound. Baseline inbound for Swiss Mortgage. Ogod to Haber. Haber to Carrillo. Carrillo fakes. Carrillo fakes again. Followed by Gabriel. Rebound by Esguerra. Shot clock violation. Left Logan. Left Logan. Shot clock violation for Swiss Mortgages. Basket doesn't count. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Last 10 seconds. Turnover return. Stolen by Logan. Santos, he gets fouled by Carl. He will go to the line for 2. Foul on number 7, Carl Cabral. First personal foul on Carl. Warning for penalty. Mark Santos will shoot 2 free throws for Swiss Mortgages. First free throw is good for Mark Santos. Two out of 2 for Mark Santos. That's the end of the third quarter. 36-34 is the score in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Let's go back to the ball game. This is the last and final quarter of our Week 6 fourth game between Swiss Mortgages and Yolanda Homes. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Swiss Mortgages. Swiss Mortgages up by 2, heading to the fourth quarter. Mata, to Esguerra. Esguerra, guarded by Gabriel. Step back tray, money! 3-pointer is good for Esguerra. And it is 5 for Swiss Mortgages. Gabriel, ball recovered by Eldama to Carl. Carl to Patrick. Patrick to Gabriel. To Carl. Carl, split the rebound, denied to Esguerra. Rebound Mata. Great defense by Esguerra. Carrillo. Poked away, stolen by Eldama. Patrick to Eldama. Eldama running baseline. Denied by Mata. Last touch on Mata. Possession. Yolanda Homes. Eldama will inbound for Yolanda Homes. To Gabriel. Gabriel Trevia. Screen by Gabriel. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. Patrick with a hit. Eldama to Carl. Adrian. To Carl. To Jason. To Carl. Eldama. Jumper. Money. 2-pointer is good for Jason Eldama. Esguerra, looking good. Over to the opening, stay short and you put back. Rebound Carl. Carl, one shot, no good. Rebound, Mata, over. To Santos. Santos to Esguerra. Esguerra, one shot, no good. Rebound. Eldama. Last 2 minutes. Patrick to Carl. Carl from deep, short. Last touch on Gabriel. Timeout rep. Last 2 minutes. Timeout. Yolanda Homes. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining. Both teams has 1 timeout left.
Walang power bank bro. Wala na. Zero na. Ano? Gising na lang natin. Gising na lang. Lipat.
Hey, back to the ball game. 14 on the shot clock for Swiss Mortgages. Mata to Esguerra. Esguerra from deep. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Esguerra. 6-point game. Gabriel. Gabriel to Cabral. To Jason, elbow jumper no good. Rebound Agod. Agod to the stinging Mata. He gets fouled by Eldama. Foul on number 24. Eldama. 4 on Eldama, 4 on Yolanda Homes. Mark Mata will choose 2 free throws for Swiss Mortgages. First free throw is no good for Mark Mata. Second one is good for Mark Mata. Foul on the floor. Foul is on 0, Mata. Second personal foul, second team foul. 15 on the shot clock for Yolanda Holmes. Gabriel to Carl to Adrian. Adrian from deep, in and out. Rebound Gabriel. Gabriel denied this winner. Rebound Mata. Guerra coast to coast for an easy two. Patrick to Carl. Carl from deep. Too strong. He's got with the ball. 9-point game. Esguerra coast to coast. Wild shot no good. Rebound Eldama. Forward pass is stolen by Mata. Mata to Ogod. Ogod building up the clock for his mortgages. To Mata. Last 10 seconds. Mata screen by Santos. Mata from deep. Short rebound. Ends up with Jason. Shot clock is off. Carl coast to coast for an easy two. Timeout to Mortgages. That's the last timeout of Swiss Mortgages. 16.8 seconds left. (49-43) is the score in favor of Swiss Mortgages.
Power bank was ran out, making it unable to charge it. I mean, what can I do? I'm just using mine.
Wala na yung inlay, wala na yung goal, wala na lahat. Iba yung video nun. Pero at least, at-taste tayo. Hey, back to the ball game. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 30. Adrian naman, third personal foul, penalty. Penalty that. 2 shots. 14.3 seconds left. First free throw for Esguerra is good. 8-point game in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Two out of two for Esguerra. Pass deflected, intercepted by Mata. 6 seconds left. 3 seconds left. Santos for easy two. That's the end of the ball game. Official score 53 for Swiss Mortgages and 42 for Yolanda Holmes. 53-42. That's the end of our ball game. Good game, guys. Thank you to our crews and referees.